Hi everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Passion. I'm here with my next Artistic Studio Creations design team project, and I use the shadow boxes on this one, and I'll show you that here in just a minute. But I wanted to detail each one of these for you and show you the other product that I used. Because I didn't know when I started what all I was using. So I used all 4 shadow boxes that come in the Heartfelt Creations kit. My Sweet Moments collection, which I did know at the time. My 49 Market Botanical Potpourri in Snow. I also pulled out my Distress Oxide ink and Walnut Stain. It's the first project I used it on. I really liked it. My Wow glitter, and she has lots of different colors for this, so be sure you check that out. And also some diamond stickles, and she also has that available in the store. So each one of them, I do this one with you. So if you keep watching, you will see the video for this particular shadow box, and also the alteration of the flowers I do in the video. And then the back is just plain. You know, hang on, I lied. I don't do this one with you. I do this one with you. This is the one that I do on camera. Okay. So this is one of the white flowers that I use the glitter on. I use Stickles on this one, and then I layered up all sorts of stuff in different, different dimensions. Some of it's tucked right behind the box, and some of it's got dimensionals but behind for different texture. This one's the 3x4. I used actually one of the cut aparts from the collection for that one. Some of the chipboard elements there, and then I just used a piece of lace on the side. And then here's this one, and everything in here is from the collection, and then the flowers. And again, there's lots of dimension there. That's the back of that one. Okay, so if you want to see me make this one here, not this one, but if you want to see me make this one, keep watching, and I'll also go over some of the supplies again. Previous to me doing this, I did a little bit of the supplies, and if you like this project and you want to do one similar to it, head over to Crystal Store, Artistic Studio Creations on Etsy, and I'll link that in the description below. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Hello everybody, and I am here with another Artistic Studio Creation design team project, and this is for Crystal Shop, and I'm going to be working today with my card shadow box set, and it's in a craft color. So I thought it lent itself well to, again, the Bow Bunny paper collection that I've been working with, Sweet Moments, because it's kind of got a pink and greens and browns and stuff. So I decided to stick with this collection, and if you want to see the entire collection, then go to my haul video for not this last one, but the month before. And then I also have these 49 Market Botanical Potpourri flowers, and they have 4 different sizes, so those are nice. Alright, so let's see what we got. These are the card shadow box set in craft, and it includes what you need to create 2 5x5 boxes and 2 3¼ by 4½ boxes. So let's see what we got. So these are the bigger. These are the 5x5 boxes. And these are the 3 1/4 by 4 1/2 boxes. So let's start playing.